Hello, everyone. Now, we all realise that we don't need to be an expert to realise that excess weight can lead to serious health issues as we age. From the age of about 45, it becomes harder to lose excess weight. And that is why it is vital to address a decline in a healthy weight for you before those pounds start to pile on, which can happen earlier than expected. Evidence suggests that due to the number of bodily systems involved, maintaining your weight can help in keeping other systems at bay. So, as a massage therapist and a hypnotist, I have seen incredible results from my clients as soon as they realize they have already a natural resource in them to help this issue. It really is interesting how many lights I see go on when a person is guided to some powerful new behaviors at a subconscious level. So perhaps the next time you catch yourself not able to zip up those skinny jeans or flinch when your partner grabs a love handle that really wasn't there before, remember that healthy possibilities are yours to harness instead. Now, I offer a free personal one-to-one Q&A to discuss whether hypnosis for weight loss is suited to a person, or a person is suited to hypnosis for weight loss. So take a moment, have a think, and then perhaps get in touch. Because after all, what have you got to lose?